Hey guys, Nate from Winter Equipment. Here today to talk to you about Winter's complete lineup of plow guards. Now if you know us we're the system guys, but we understand that sometimes you got old inventory or maybe a system just doesn't work for you, but you're still looking to get the advantage of the quality wear part that Winter Equipment offers. For the customer that has a steel blade or a carbide cutting edge, Winter Equipment has a complete lineup of plow guards to help make those blades last longer and perform better for you. Stay tuned. We're going to get into each one of these plow guards, what they work with, why you would use them, and how they're going to help you out. Okay guys, now we've got some variations on guards that are designed just for curb protection. So these will not extend the life of your cutting edge at all. They won't give you any protection down there, but they will protect your plow from damage from a curb. We got two variations. We got the Universal CurbRunner over here, and we got the Heavy-Duty CurbGuard over here. A little bit different with each one. We'll give you a real quick synopsis, then we'll go ahead and get on the plow behind us here and show you specifically what we're talking about. The CurbRunner is universal, meaning you can take this CurbRunner and you can use it on either side. So it's universal, left or right. You just got to buy one part number, one part. It's going to feature that curb cast, Twinkie-esque here on the end. And again, universal nature, left or right side. Primarily focus is to protect your plow from damage from a curb. The Heavy-Duty CurbGuard over here is an OG. It's been around for quite a while. And again, it's just going to be a piece of 3/4 thick steel, 6 or 8 inches tall. And we're going to go ahead and weld that curb cast either on the left side or the right side, depending upon what your needs are. That curb cast, again, the ultimate in protection against wear from a curb. So Heavy-Duty CurbGuard over here, Universal CurbRunner over here. We'll go ahead, use the plow behind us, and show you how we use these to protect your plow from damage from a curb. All right, guys, we're down here working on our curb protection only plow guards. Again, that's the Universal CurbRunner down here and the Heavy-Duty CurbGuard I got here in my hand. Universal's going to have that curb Twinkie. Heavy-Duty's got the curb cast. I got an 8-inch piece of A36 steel here, no wear characteristics, not going to extend the life of your cutting edge, but it will help me bolt on this curb cast and protect that moldboard from curb damage. Run your bolts through. Pick your guard up, line it up, bolt it on. Obviously, you go ahead, run on your washer nut in the back. That's how you install your heavy duty. We'll take the heavy duty off. Grab your Universal. Again, the Universal's got a little more bolt holes for a little more configurations. You're going to want to grab the outer two. Then you're going to want to skip two. Grab your guy over here. Actually, go ahead and grab your guy all the way at the end. Go ahead, take it, line it up. Bolt it on. Good to go. You've got your curb protection again, especially with the Universal and the Twinkie, really just straight on curb protection. And that's how you go ahead and install a heavy duty or a Universal CurbRunner to your snowplow cutting edge.